How to track your target rate card savings. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can track the target rate card savings. So without further delay, let's get started. First method is to log in via the web browser. So open up Google and in the search bar you could search for target rate card. Head over to the first link on your interface, then tap on your profile at the top right, head over to sign in or create. Then you have to log in using your email and your password. So once you're signed in, you can view your full rate card dashboard, which will include all of your 5% savings per transaction, your account balance and statements. So if you're on the target application, then make sure that you're logged in. From your home page, navigate to the wallet. Under wallet, scroll down to find your target rate circle card. There you will find all of your recent purchases, discounts including your 5% savings applied at the checkout. You could also view your savings through the monthly statements. So check your monthly statements, which will include a line-by-line breakdown of your purchase and total savings from your rate card as well. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.